So hey you guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a watercolor method on a wig that I just ordered, and I'm gonna be installing it too. So I know I look a mess right now, but like just wait for that because baby girl about to be popping, period. Let me stop. Okay. But yeah, keep on watching. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I'm about to braid my hair down. I'm just about to put it in tulip braids because nobody got time to be doing all them braids in your head. So yeah. So you guys, I just finished braiding my hair, and y'all, I'm about to be ghetto as hell. I got a pot of water, taking it out the pack. But this water hot as hell. I put it, well, it's not that hot, but it's like hot. So I got this hair from Hair Spells. So y'all, I do not know if I want to glue my wig cap down because I know I'm gonna be wearing it. But like, I mean, it's a lace front. It's a lace front. Oh, this is soft. Okay. So y'all, I'm coming in right now, like while I'm like showing this or whatever. Y'all, I know I look a mess. Do not say anything about it. Like, I really know that I look a mess, and I don't know what I was doing. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. I need to pluck it. Yeah, I need to pluck it. So I got the shade Cotton Candy or whatever. So I'm about to dye this. You dig? I don't know how much I'm putting in here. I wanted like a light pastel pink though. So I mean, I'm gonna do like that much color of it, and I'm gonna just throw the wig in there, like, and submerge it in there. So like y'all could like see the, like, take it out. Oh yeah, this is the color like I thought I wanted. Oh my gosh! So y'all, I was hyped as hell because y'all, I really did not know that that was gonna work. Like, look, I'm taking it out of there and I look like involved. I did not know it was gonna work. Like, I thought it was gonna be an epic fail, but no, it really worked, and I was very proud of myself. So I got me a little wig cap or whatever. Y'all about to see me glue this wig cap down. Hold up. My head is gigantic. Okay. But not the elastic. So I could so that like it doesn't stretch when I'm gluing it down, so that it's like easier to glue it down. So why aren't these scissors working? Okay. So that's my ear. I hate doing this. Around where I glued. Okay. So y'all get the idea. Yeah, so I just cut around my little wig cap or whatever. I know y'all ain't want to hear this little sped up thing, so I did me a little voiceover. So yeah, so I'm just cutting all of that off or whatever. So yep, that's what I did. What do you mean where you see the cap when I perform with my hair? So you guys, this is the color that it came out. I wanted me a little bob or whatever. So y'all, I was about to pluck it, but I mean, I could not find, well, I found some like tweezers, but like they were broken. So I ended up plucking it later in life. So yeah, so I'm just gonna erase this whole footage or whatever. But yeah, just know guys, I did not pluck it, but yeah, you could pluck it. You're supposed to pluck it because that's what I did later in life. So oh yeah, you see me taking these tweezers and getting like pissed off because no hair is coming out or nothing. So yep. So you guys, I blow dried the hair after I did all of that, attempting to pluck it or whatever. So yeah, I just blow dried the hair, then I straightened it and styled it. Y'all gonna see what it ended up looking like in this next clip, I think. If not, the next clip is coming up. So yeah, I lied, this the next clip. So yeah, y'all just see me curling it or whatever. In the next clip, I'm gonna show y'all what it finally ended up looking like. And honestly, I hated how it looked on my head, so like I changed the whole style of it basically. after I took all that time curling it and stuff. So I mean, this is basically a waste of a clip, but I mean, y'all can see me curling this. So you guys, I finished curling it or whatever. Ooh, curls looking nice or whatever. So yeah, guys, I finished curling it. I'm about to take it off this canvas head and install it on myself. So y'all, I redid the elastic band. They might have other black pieces from cutting the first time. So let me put this thing on. Ooh. Ooh. I'm about to blow dry this on my cool setting. So y'all, also, I'm not no hairstylist. No, this is what works for me. This is not a tutorial. This is me just like trying, attempting, and like kind of working and kind of not. So yeah, and right here I'm gluing it down with gots to be because I don't want this thing on for long. But yeah, like this is not a tutorial or nothing, so don't like follow this if you want like a flawless install. Do 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 do. Okay, y'all, I'ma stop. So yeah, now I'm cutting a lace or whatever. Cut as close to the hairline as possible so that you like barely see it. But like I fucked up and I didn't do that. So like you could kind of see my lace, but like I ended up fixing it later in life. Like I said, I fixed this wig later in life. So yeah, I can't really install lace fronts that well. So y'all, we switch locations now. I'm waiting for this hot comb to get. So you guys, while I was waiting for this little thing to heat up, I did my eyebrows and put some mascara. Oh my gosh, I look like that girl from Lazy Town. I think that was the show name. I'm gonna try and flatten it out a little bit. Flatten the. Oh girl, that look like when your mama said, "Girl, let me just bump the ends a little." Girl, and that's what you end up looking like. Baby hairs. That's what I wanted to do. So let me just pull this back into. I was gonna pull it into a ponytail, but like this ponytail tiny as fuck. Girl, wait. Girl, wait. Girl, wait. Girl. God, I got me a little rag right here. Oh, it's pink just like my hair, y'all. So yeah, I got me a little rag right here. So let me, my little grandma rag, literally just for my grandma. So what you want to do is wrap your little head or whatever. I was fucking around, I don't know why, but I look dumb. So yeah, what you want to do is wrap your little head and sit there and let that dry, and then you gonna want to continue styling your hair or whatever. So yeah, as this wig. So yeah, see like that look way better than whatever the other pieces was doing. Like they might have dried. Yeah, they did. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Okay. I'm out my wrapping foam. Still can't. Oh, it works like this, but not the other way. So yeah, y'all, that was me with my little lace front wig. Me installing it and dyeing it, whatever. So yeah, y'all, thanks for watching my video. Yeah. All right. Bye. Is it wrong if I only one night take